Hello everyone, I am Clever Fly, and this column Clever Fly's advice. And advice to you today: visualize your success. There are conducted studies that have shown that people who practice and visualize their success will more likely to reach it than people who just practice. It helps with job interviews, relationships, and hobbies. While it's not a new concept, visualizing success can easily be derided or met with skepticism as simple flights of fancy, or as an exercise in futility. However, for generations it has been a common practice of athletes, entertainers, and entrepreneurs have also been using visualization as a way to reach their goals. There are theories as to how it works. By being able to paint a concrete picture of what success looks like to you, it becomes less abstract and more obtainable to you. When you remind yourself every day of what your true goals are, or focus more on the thing you really want to achieve. When you know what you are looking for, your brain is programmed to be more receptive to possible opportunities that are aligned with your goal. I hope this advice helps your life. Please comment on the console, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my helpful advice from Cleverfly. Good luck!